Vibe coder, two words that sound ridiculous but might just land you a six-figure job in 2026. Let me explain. The tech industry just changed, and nobody's talking about it. For decades, getting a developer job meant grinding LeetCode, memorizing algorithms, and surviving whiteboard interviews. Not anymore. Companies don't care if you can reverse a binary tree in your sleep. They care if you can ship features that users actually want. Welcome to the era of the vibe coder. What is a vibe coder? Someone who understands the vibe of the product, the team, and the users. Someone who builds things that feel right. Not someone who writes perfect code, someone who writes code that works and makes people happy. And here's the best part, AI is making this possible. ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Claude, Cursor, these tools are leveling the playing field. You don't need to memorize syntax anymore. You don't need to know every design pattern. You need to know what to build and why. The vibe. So how do you become a vibe coder? How do you land that job? Step 1. Stop grinding algorithms, start building real projects. I know this sounds controversial. LeetCode has its place, but it's not the only path anymore. Companies want to see what you can build, not what you can recite. Build a side project, make it useful, make it beautiful, make it something people actually want to use. That's your new resume. Step 2. Learn to communicate. This is the most underrated skill in tech. Vibe coders aren't code monkeys, they're translators. They turn user needs into features, they turn business goals into products. You need to explain your decisions. Why did you choose this approach? What problem does it solve? How does it help the user? If you can't explain it, you don't understand the vibe. Step 3. Embrace AI, don't fight it, use it. The developers who resist AI will be left behind. The ones who leverage it will thrive. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Use Copilot to write boilerplate. Use Claude to review your code and suggest improvements. AI is your copilot, not your replacement. Step 4. Focus on product sense. This is what separates good developers from great ones. Product sense means understanding what users need before they ask for it. It means knowing which features to build and which to skip. It means building for humans, not for machines. How do you develop product sense? Use products, study them, break them down, ask why they work or why they don't. Become a power user of everything you touch. Step 5. Build a personal brand. I know it sounds cringe, but hear me out. You don't need to be an influencer, you just need to be visible. Write about what you're building, share your projects on Twitter or LinkedIn, contribute to open source, help others in forums. When companies search for your name, they should find evidence that you ship things and help people. That's your reputation, and reputation gets you interviews. Step 6. Network like a human, not like a robot sending cold LinkedIn messages. Go to meetups, join communities, contribute to discussions, help people with no expectation of return. The best jobs aren't posted on job boards, they're filled through referrals, through people who vouch for you because they've seen your work. Build relationships, not connections. Step 7. Nail the interview, but not the way you think. Forget the LeetCode grind, focus on these instead. Tell stories. When they ask about your experience, tell them about projects you've built, the challenges you faced, the decisions you made. Show your work, walk them through your code, explain your thought process, let them see how you solve problems. Ask great questions about the team, about the product, about the challenges they're facing. Great questions show you understand the vibe. Step 8. Negotiate like you own it. You're not begging for a job, you're offering value, act like it. Research the market rate, know your worth, don't accept the first offer. If they want you, they'll negotiate, if they won't, walk away. There are thousands of companies hearing vibe coders right now. You have leverage, use it. Now let's address the elephant in the room. What if you're not a senior developer? What if you're just starting? Good news, vibe coding is perfect for beginners. You don't need 10 years of experience. You need curiosity, taste, and the ability to learn fast. Companies are realizing that someone with 6 months of experience and great product sense can outperform someone with 5 years who just executes tickets. Because building great products isn't about writing more code, it's about writing the right code. So what about the traditional path? Is it dead? No, but it's no longer the only path. If you love algorithms and systems design, pursue that. Those skills are valuable. But if you'd rather build products people love, focus on the vibe, focus on impact. The market is shifting. Companies are hearing for taste, speed, and judgment, not just technical chops. Here's what this means for you. If you're currently grinding LeetCode for months, consider pivoting. Spend half that time building something real. If you're afraid of AI taking your job, flip the script. Learn to use AI better than anyone else. Make yourself the developer who ships 10x faster because you leverage AI tools. If you're stuck in tutorial hell, stop watching and start building. Messy code that works beats perfect code that doesn't exist. And if you're already working but feeling stuck, level up your product sense. Start asking why before you ask how. The future of development isn't about writing more code, it's about writing better code. Code that matters, code that creates value. That's the vibe. So here's my challenge to you. This week, start building something, anything, a tool you wish existed, a feature you want on your favorite app, a project that solves a problem you have. Build it, ship it, share it. That's how you become a vibe coder, not by studying, by doing. The jobs are out there, the opportunities are endless, the barrier to entry has never been lower. You just need to vibe with the future. Now go build something incredible. Thanks for watching.